Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Imran Khan. I am here with another distance question in which we have to tell about the direction. The question is, Rubab starts from a point, moves 12 km north, and then he turns east and goes 5 km. In which direction he is from the starting point? So here we have first we have to draw the direction cosines, which is north, south, west, east. So if we draw a line here, so it will represent northeast. If you draw a line here, it will represent east south. If we draw a line here, it will represent southwest. Similarly, if we draw a line here, it will represent northwest. So in this question, Rubab starts from a point, that this is the point from where Rubab starts. Firstly, he moves 12 km toward north, so we have to draw a line of 12 km toward north. 12 km toward north. Then he turns east and goes 5 km. Here is the east, so we'll draw the line in east direction, 5 km. In this question, we are asked to tell in which direction he is from the starting point after reaching the destination. So this is our starting point and this is his destination. So he is in direction, so this is the direction in which he is from the starting point. So it is our starting point here on the direction cosine. So the line which goes in that direction, it is called northeast. So here is north, here is east. The line between north and it is called northeast, so he will be in the northeast direction.